Hello students. So this question from the computer networks. Question asks is a 12-bit Hamming code whose hexadecimal value is 0E4F arrives at a receiver, and what was the original value in hexadecimal? So assume that not more than one bit is in error. Okay, so you know that the Hamming code will be generally the error bit, like whatever the error bit you are having. So that will perform the XOR operation between the values, right? Now whatever the given Hamming code is 0E4F, so convert it into the binary form. It will be 0, it is E means it is 14. Okay, so it will be 8 plus 4 plus 2. Okay, now 4 is 4 here and F is 15, so all ones. Okay, so this is 0, this is E, this is 4, and this is F. Okay, now it is telling that there is a 1 bit error. We have to assume that there is only 1 bit error. Okay, so you just check it out the option. Okay, so if you have 1 bit error, then for doing error you can change this. This is a 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so 12 bits are there, so just change this bit 2. Okay, changing bit 1 to 0. Okay, so what it will become? It will become 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, so this value will change as, from E it will become A because it is 10. Okay, so this will be 0 and this will be 4 and this will be F. So this is the this is the value, 12-bit value. Okay, so 12-bit value which is being transmitted was 0A4F. Okay, but if you consider an 8-bit value, this value will become as 0AF. Okay, so this is the answer. So answer is A. Thank you.